we shall have a management committee here that will be able to do the management. The Masarani Water Project, where we are also undertaking rehabilitation works of the project that we have already there, the existing one. We are going to spend about 8 million Kenya shillings to rehabilitate it so that it can be able to serve the residents of Masarani. The contractor is just about to get to site. He is not yet there. But once the contractor is there, then I think we will make another visit so that we can be able to supervise works and hasten the works.
These people, this community have the largest livestock community around, but during the dry time, they used to migrate, they used to move, they used to go to other places. And when they move with their animal, always there have been conflict between the other community and themselves. Because the other community, a settled community, they have farms, the animals do not know the farming. They go and eat and